What is up, guys? So today, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 got One UI 7 based on Android 15, at least the beta for this software update. So today, I'm going to be going ahead and installing this beta and just kind of going over everything that's new and kind of seeing whether or not this is stable enough to use it as your daily phone and just kind of overall, I guess the process of updating your phone to One UI 7 beta and if you should do the same. So let's get started. First, let's go ahead with some of this information. So obviously, like I said, this is One UI 7 beta, so this is not a stable form of One UI 7. Definitely keep that in mind. I will be doing a separate video of how to join the beta program, so if you want to know how to do that, that video will be out roughly around the same time as this one. So yeah, basically, this is just updating your phone to One UI 7, a beta version of that, so it'll be very similar to the official release that is available on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As you can see there, One UI version 7.0 based on Android 15, and then there's the version number. The size is almost 9 gigabytes of storage. Security patch level from March 1st, 2025. This beta is the first software update from Samsung to get that March 1st security patch, and here are some things you won't be able to use your phone during the update, even for emergency calls. Some settings may change after the update, stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this update. Okay, let's go ahead and hit install, and let's just wait for the update to happen. So the progress bar did end up going away, and it just says Samsung Galaxy now, so it did reach like 95%, and then it just switched to this screen, so I'm not exactly sure why it did that, but I mean, if that happens, I guess don't be concerned about it. Shouldn't be an issue, I don't think it, at least. Okay, and now it says, okay, and now it just says powered by Android, and has that little Android, is that actually, yeah, that's what it is, because Android's like another word for robot, right? So yeah, it's an Android. Okay, so the device is now powered on, and automatically one thing that I do notice is, oh, okay, there's that little, I guess, gesture. And here we have the new control center, I guess, and the notifications. You can see it's in that split area. And like that actually is working, and I haven't even unlocked the phone from the initial startup, so that's pretty good to see that's already running smoothly. Let's go ahead and type in the password. Okay, so we have the loading screen. I'm assuming that's going to say, there we go. Welcome, One UI 7, and start. And then it should, the welcome might change to a different language. No, okay. So let's go ahead and hit start. That clears away from the white finish. I think that's actually really nice. So Galaxy AI Advanced Intelligence. So this is just kind of all the new features. Let's go ahead and hit next. And instantly access. Okay, so this is going to be the new thing. So you're all start. Okay. Here is a notice for the beta. So this beta software, due to the nature of the test version, unexpected errors may occur. Make sure to back up important information. Okay. In advance, any errors. Okay. So basically just letting you know that this is kind of an unstable version. It can at least be. I haven't had any issues in the past with previous versions of Samsung's One UI beta running on my main phone. So I would say it's pretty safe. I'll let you know if something happens though. So yeah, that's the setup of One UI 7. Okay, so here it says you're all set, and let's go ahead and just hit home. And here's my new home screen, and it actually looks pretty nice right out of the box. A little bit glitchy, but it did just, just power up from the update. See new quick settings. Okay, so just here it's saying that everything is now separated. Very good. Let's see animations. Okay, a little bit glitchy at first. Overall, looks actually pretty good, pretty secure. Let's go ahead and check the cover screen. A little bit glitchy there at first, but of course it did just power on. Everything looks pretty much the same. That's a little bit different. Yeah, okay, we still have a new quick settings. Notifications, a little bit more in that oval shape. Yeah, that's One UI 7 on the Z Flip 6. Looks pretty great, looks pretty premium. Like I said, I will be doing a further dive into the software, so definitely go ahead and check out that video once it releases, and thanks for watching. Okay, so it is actually the next day now, and this Z Flip 6 has been running One UI 7 for the past day now, and I actually really like it. It seems, even on the beta, that it's very stable. There seems to be actually quite a few changes that even the S25 Ultra doesn't have, like some improvements to the charging animation, especially the one, when you plug it in when it's on. That animation has been improved so much, compared to the S25 Ultra. I'll put a clip of the S25 Ultra doing that exact same animation on screen, and yeah, that's way better. Honestly, this beta seems to be Honestly, this beta seems to be extremely reliable and just overall smooth. Like I said, haven't had any issues. I will be switching my SIM and everything to this phone and using it for, I mean, as long as I want to, I guess. And yeah, if you want to see how that goes, definitely subscribe and kind of stay tuned. And I'm kind of assuming that you kind of already know what is new with the One UI 7. We have a new home screen kind of element UI. It looks a lot better, looks a lot cleaner. You have more, like, I guess, room to customize and just make your home screen and your entire phone look like the exact way you want it. Now, this video will not be a deep dive into all the new features, just kind of an overview of installing this beta. So yeah, I mean, like I said before, this beta so far has been really smooth. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And yeah, I mean, thanks for watching this quick video on One UI 7 on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. And like I said, if you want a more in-depth video on the One UI 7 on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, definitely consider subscribing. That should be out within the next few days. And yeah, I mean, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, anything you want me to talk about. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.